I'm Charlotte with the Investing News Network, and I'm here today with our life science reporter, Gabrielle. We're going to talk to you about what happened in the life science space during the month of October. Gabrielle, let's start by talking about clinical trials. What updates did we see last month?
Thanks, Charlotte. So AvroBio share price suffered a 50% drop despite positive news from its clinical trial update for a rare disease drug. Oragenics also received approval to conduct its phase 2 clinical trial in Belgium, and Restore Bio released additional clinical trial data for a new indication, as well as Axovent dosed its first patient in its Parkinson's disease trial for its genetic drug.
I believe we saw some major deals happen in the life science sector last month. Can you run us through some of those?
There were many deals that took place throughout the month of October. Telix Pharmaceuticals announced a partnership with Genesis Care. The company's plan to expand in China and Australia. Novartis has acquired Endocyte for $2.1 billion US. And Cancer Genetics also made a partnership with GeneCast. The company's plan to bring some genetic tests to China. And Zymeworks announced its first dermatology licensing deal with Leo Pharma. This also marks the first licensing deal for Zymeworks, in which the company can use its antibody discovery capabilities.
We know that approvals and clearances are important for investors in this space to watch. What did we see happen in October?
That's right. So Helius Medical received Health Canada clearance for its neuromodulation device. And Medtronic received 2 product approvals, one for its stent graft system and the other for its pain pump.
Finally, as we wrap up, are there any major trends in the life science space that investors should be aware of?
There are. So investors are going to want to keep an eye on the biosimilar trend. AbbVie's Humira is facing competition in the European Union from Biogen and Samsung Biologics, launching the drug in the European Union throughout the month of October. Other competition is from Johnson & Johnson, Amgen, and other players in the game.
Okay, well, thank you so much. We'll leave our October life science update there. You can join us next month when we recap what happened in the space during November. In the meantime, you can follow us on Twitter at INN_lifescience, on Facebook at Investing News Network, and of course on LinkedIn, also at Investing News Network. We will see you next month.